Welcome to Springfield, Illinois, and welcome to one of the newest attractions celebrating America's most famous highway, the Route 66 Experience. Located at the Illinois State Fairgrounds, this free outdoor exhibit brings together the history, culture, and nostalgia of the Illinois portion of Route 66. Open year-round, the Route 66 Experience showcases all 92 Illinois communities that the Mother Road traveled through on its journey from Chicago to the Mississippi River. As we begin our walk, imagine it's the 1940s or 1950s. Families are piling into station wagons, road maps are spread across the dashboard, and the promise of adventure lies ahead. Route 66 wasn't just a highway, it was a pathway to opportunity, exploration, and the American dream. This exhibit is designed as a scaled-down version of Illinois Route 66. As you walk along these pathways, you're symbolically traveling through the entire Illinois stretch of the Mother Road, learning about the towns, businesses, attractions, and people that made this highway legendary. One of the first things you'll probably notice are the towering vintage-style billboards. These signs recreate the roadside advertising that once competed for the attention of travelers. Before smartphones and GPS, these colorful signs were often the first hint of a motel, restaurant, gas station, or tourist attraction waiting just ahead. As we look at some of these signs, they aren't original, but are carefully crafted recreations of some of the most iconic neon signs that once lit up Route 66. If you ever have a chance, come back at dusk or at night, and they'll transport us back to the golden age of road travel, where neon signs were the social media of the day, bright, colorful, and impossible to ignore. Many of these signs honor long-gone businesses whose memories still live on in Route 66. The goal is simply not to preserve artifacts here, but to preserve the feeling of traveling America's main street. Springfield itself holds a special place in Route 66 history. The city has been part of the highway since the original 1926 alignment and remains one of the most important destinations along the Illinois section of the route. Visitors can also explore other Route 66 attractions nearby, including historic diners, vintage signs, original roadway segments, and roadside landmarks. As Route 66 celebrates its centennial here in 1926, places like the Route 66 Experience ensure that future generations can understand why this road became such a powerful symbol of America. The Mother Road connected people from different regions, cultures, and backgrounds, while inspiring countless adventures along the way. Here we see a tribute to one of Route 66's most beloved roadside attractions, the Muffler Men. These giant fiberglass figures became roadside icons during the 1960s. Originally created to attract customers to gas stations, restaurants, tire shops, and tourist attractions, they quickly became larger-than-life symbols of roadside America. The Route 66 experience pays tribute to these towering figures and their role in making road trips memorable. Thanks for joining me on this tour of the Route 66 Spring Experience here in Springfield, Illinois. If you enjoyed this walk, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow along as we continue exploring historic Route 66 attractions, museums, roadside landmarks, and hidden gems across America. So, until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep wandering.